Good morning, students of class 10. In this period of mathematics, chapter, this is chapter 5, and exercise 5.2. That was factorization by splitation process we are solving. And you had asked doubt. Your doubt was question number 16, Roman number 2. As I observed the questions, these two questions, question number 16, Roman number 1 and Roman number 2, these two are little different. So, in this video class, I have solved both the questions. 16 Roman number 1 is here. 16 Roman number 1, a by ax minus 1 plus b by bx minus 1. This is bx minus 1. A by ax minus 1 plus b by bx minus 1 equal to a plus b, where a plus b is not equal to 0 and ab is also not equal to 0. I have written this expression in this way: a by ax minus 1 minus b. I brought this plus b this side and I wrote with a by ax minus 1. So after bringing this side, it became minus b equal to, I sent this term b by bx minus 1 that side and I wrote with a minus b by bx minus 1. To write this step, I have followed the law of transposition. Now LCM of this became ax minus 1. I divided this LCM by this denominator ax minus 1. I got 1. 1 into a equal to a. Minus came here. Denominator is 1, b by 1. Denominator is 1. I divided LCM by 1. I got ax minus 1. And then I multiplied by b. b into ax minus 1 equal to came here. This side again the same. I took LCM bx minus 1. Here denominator of a is 1. I divided LCM by 1. I got bx minus 1. Then I multiplied this bx minus 1 by a. I wrote here a into bx minus 1. Minus came here. I divided this LCM by denominator bx minus 1. I got 1. 1 into b. Now, in this step, I have omitted the brackets. For that, I multiplied these two terms by minus b. A is followed same. Minus came here. Minus plus minus b into ax, abx, minus minus plus b into 1, b by ax minus 1 equal to, here also I have omitted the bracket. For that I multiplied these two terms by plus a. So plus 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 a into bx, abx, plus minus minus a into 1, a, minus came here, b by bx minus 1. Now, I have done this cross multiplication. These two will be multiplied together and these two will be multiplied together according to cross multiplication. And I wrote a minus abx plus b into bx minus 1 equal to abx minus a minus b into ax minus 1. Then I have arranged it. A plus sign containing terms I have written together, a plus b minus abx into bx minus 1 equal to write these two in plus with plus sign, I have taken minus common. So inside the bracket it will be now a plus b, because if you multiply these two sign you are getting back minus a. These two sign if you multiply you will get back minus b, and this will be written with minus because minus minus you will get here plus abx. I wrote this with the plus sign and this with the minus sign, taking minus as common. Why did we write it? We write to make the same term here, see a plus b minus abx, and here is also now a plus b minus abx, and this is followed as same. Now I followed the transposition, this term I brought this side. After coming this side, it will be plus. So this in this step it became a plus b minus abx into bx minus 1 plus a plus b minus abx into x minus 1, and this side nothing is left now, so that is equal to 0. Now you are seeing that this term and this term both are same, both are common, so I took it as common. A plus b minus abx, I took it as common. Inside the bracket, bx minus 1 plus ax minus 1 is left, that is equal to 0. Now I solved this. Here is minus 1, so it will be minus 2. And the expression became a plus b minus abx into ax plus bx minus 2, because minus 1 and minus 1 equal to minus 2, that is equal to 0. Now these two terms will be equal to 0. From there we have to find out the value of x. If a plus b minus abx equal to 0, then a plus b minus abx, a plus b equal to abx, means by transposition this minus abx went that side, a plus b equal to abx. Therefore this x equal to a plus b by ab. This became the first value of x, and the second value will come from here, ax plus bx minus 2 equal to 0. If ax plus bx minus 2 equal to 0, then ax plus bx equal to 2, minus 2 went that side, after going that side it will be plus 2. X is common, a plus b in bracket equal to 2, so x equal to 2 by a plus b. In this way we got two values of x, first value is here and second value is here. X equal to a plus b by ab and x equal to 2 by a plus b. These two are the answers. In question number 16, Roman number 2, the question is 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b plus 1 by 2x. We are asked to find out the value of x. I rearranged this expression in this way: 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x minus 1 by 2x, and these two I have written together equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b. This LCM I have taken 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x. I divided this LCM by this denominator. I got 1 and 1, but I got 2x. I divided this LCM by this denominator. So this much portion and this much portion is cancelled. 2x is left. So 2x into 1 equal to 2x. Minus came here. Again I divided this LCM by 2x. I got 2a plus b plus 2x. That is multiplied by 1. I got minus 2a plus b plus 2x. This side also LCM is 2ab. I divided this LCM by this denominator 2a. I got b into 1, b plus. I divided this LCM by denominator b. So 2a is left, 2a into 1, 2a. Now I have omitted this bracket. 2x minus plus minus 2a minus plus minus b and minus plus minus 2x by 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x equal to 2a plus b by 2ab. What is left? These two terms are left. From these two terms I have taken minus common, so inside the bracket 2a plus b will be written by 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x, and this side 2a plus b by 2ab I have written. So this 2a plus b and 2a plus b, these two are cancelled from both the sides. Then what is left? I have written here minus 1 by 2x into 2a plus b plus 2x equal to 1 by ab. These two and these two from both sides cancelled, and after that I have done cross multiplication. ab into minus 1 equal to minus ab equal to x into 2a plus b plus 2x I have written here. Then x into 2a plus b plus 2x plus ab equal to 0. X into 2a plus b plus 2x square plus ab equal to 0. Means what I have done here, these two I have written together, and this I have written with it separately. So x into 2a plus b plus x into 2x, that 2x square, and plus ab equal to 0. 2x square plus 2a plus b into x plus ab equal to 0. I have omitted this bracket. 2x square plus 2ax plus bx plus ab equal to 0. From these two terms I have taken 2x common, so inside the bracket x plus a is left. And from these two terms I have taken plus b common, inside the bracket x plus a is left, that is also equal to 0. So the factors become x plus a into 2x plus b equal to 0. If x plus a equal to 0, then x equal to minus a, and if 2x plus b equal to 0, then x equal to minus b by 2. These two are the solutions of x. That is the answer.